Are you a righty or a lefty? We are talking about handedness. And unless you happen to have an abundance of left handed friends, you might have noticed how rare they are. So, why are just 1 in 10 of us left handed? Hello, everyone, and welcome to Go Learning. There are plenty of hypotheses that have been building for more than a century, and the evidence points out to some kind of genetic influence. Why? Because the percentage of lefties is roughly the same anywhere you look on the globe. This percentage within the population has remained the same for the past 5 lakh years. For those of you who kick a ball on a regular basis, you will be aware that there are natural asymmetries all over the body. You will likely opt for one foot over the other when you go to kick. These asymmetries can be found in everything from our feet to our ears, our eyes, and the layout of our brain. If you hold your thumb at arm's length, then look at it using one eye and then the other. The eye that appears to show the thumb closest to you is your strongest. Similarly, you probably tend to answer the phone or listen behind closed doors with one ear rather than the other. That's your strongest ear. But why aren't left-handed and right-handed people born to a roughly 50-50 ratio? Some experts suggest that social cooperation, played out over thousands of years, has given righties dominant. In other words, when communities act together in terms of sharing tools and living spaces, using the same hand as everyone else is beneficial. Others suggest that it is to do with the way the brain is arranged in two hemispheres, with the left half controlling the right side of the body and the right half controlling the left side of the body. If most people's brain use the left hemisphere to control intensive language and fine motor skills, the thinking goes that bias results in the right hand being more dominant too. And while genetics likely play a large role in determining handedness, it's probably not the whole answer. Left-handed parents are more likely to have left-handed children than right-handed parents, a preference that can even be seen in the womb, but they still tend to have more right-handed children overall. Researchers have struggled to identify exactly which genes are responsible for increasing the chances of being a lefty. On top of that, other studies have linked factors such as estrogen levels and birth position to varying levels of left and right handedness. In short, there seems to be a lot of considerations at play, and researchers are having a hard time tying them all together. That means we can't yet tell you exactly why are you born left or right-handed, but scientists clearly are working hard at finding an answer. And when they do, they will have to explain why some of us are ambidextrous too. Thanks for watching Go Learning.